Hey everyone, in this series, I want to share some of my past experience that can help you to debugging the issue faster in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. So, in one of my recent projects, business reported a strange bug. They want to display a specific product on a certain category page, but instead, a completely different product was showing. So, we started debugging, and guess what? The issue was caused by misconfigured redirect to. So for that, we use the URL request analyzer, which I have already explained you in my previous video about this tool. So by helping this tool, we trace the redirect that was causing the mismatch. This was a small mistake, but it's take a major issue on a lifestyle. So always be extra careful when set up URL redirection rule in SFCC. A tiny misconfiguration can lead to unexpected result. Thanks for watching.